Good day, valuable customers. Welcome to this short video. My name is Ms. Blooms. This is an old glass panel window. Does it look familiar? Welcome to Blooms Door and Window Service. You are going to witness Blooms technician at work, dismantling the old window and installing an updated aluminum replacement. The bulk of the work is executed behind the scenes at the workshop. The window is prefabricated and brought here for installation. Such a window updating requires only an investment from 250 Singapore dollars. Call us at 8777-5231 to inquire. Finally, let's take a look at the new window. It looks good. Thank you for staying with me till the end of the video. I'm Miss Blooms, signing off. Cheers.